Hello Turks and Caicos, the 3-day public weather forecast. General situation: the dominating Atlantic high pressure continues to support a gentle to moderate breeze across the Turks and Caicos Islands. Special warnings: residents and visitors are strongly advised to remain hydrated, wear light-colored clothing, sunglasses, sunscreen, and to limit prolonged outdoor exposure to the sun, as UV indices are expected to remain in the very high to extreme range, and heat indices are expected in the triple digits tomorrow. Weather: partly sunny today, fair tonight. Advisory: a heat warning is in effect. Winds easterly at 5 to 15 knots, shifting northeast to east this evening. Seas: along Caicos Banks and Atlantic near shore, 3 feet or less, Atlantic offshore, 3 to 5 feet. The daytime high temperature, 94 degrees Fahrenheit. The heat index for today, 109 to 111 degrees Fahrenheit. The overnight low temperature, 81 degrees Fahrenheit. Sunset will be at 7:19 p.m. this evening, the next high tide at 2:01 p.m., and the next low tide at 8:35 p.m. The extended forecast: hot and dry conditions will persist into Saturday afternoon, when the approach of Hurricane Erin will bring increasing cloudiness and a higher chance of showers across the islands. The core of Erin is expected to pass east of the Turks and Caicos, but dangerous marine conditions, due to swells and breezy to windy conditions, are likely to begin as early as Sunday morning and continue into middle of next week. Saturday: a low 20% chance of widely scattered showers in the afternoon, partly sunny in the morning, then a mix of sun and clouds in the afternoon, with a high near 93 degrees Fahrenheit. Saturday night: a low 30% chance of scattered showers in the morning, partly cloudy with a low around 78 degrees Fahrenheit. New total rainfall accumulation of about 1/4 of an inch. Higher rainfall amounts possible in thunderstorms. Winds northeast to east at 10 to 15 knots, becoming northeasterly in the afternoon. Seas along Caicos Banks and Atlantic near shore, 2 to 4 feet, and Atlantic offshore, 4 to 6 feet. Sunrise will be at 6:27 a.m. and sunset at 7:18 p.m. Sunday: a medium 50 to 60% chance of scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms during the day, predominantly in the easternmost islands of Grand Turk, South Caicos, and South Key. Partly cloudy to cloudy with a high near 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Sunday night: a medium 40% chance of scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms, partly cloudy to cloudy with a low around 78 degrees Fahrenheit. New total rainfall accumulation of about an inch. Higher rainfall amounts possible in thunderstorms. Winds north to northeast at 15 to 20 knots, becoming northwest to north at 15 to 20 knots in the afternoon with gusts up to 30 knots. Seas along Caicos Banks, 2 to 4 feet, Atlantic near shore, 4 to 6 feet, and Atlantic offshore, 7 to 11 feet in northeasterly swells, increasing up to 13 feet overnight. Sunrise will be at 6:27 a.m. and sunset at 7:18 p.m. The tropical weather outlook: Hurricane Erin is located several hundred miles east of the northern Leeward Islands. Erin has a maximum sustained winds near 75 miles per hour, with higher gusts, and is moving toward the west-northwest near 18 miles per hour. This motion is expected to continue into the weekend on the forecast track. The center of Erin is likely to move near or just north of the northern Leeward Islands over the weekend. The southeastern Gulf, AL98, shower and thunderstorm activity has persisted in association with a disturbance located about 75 miles off the coast of northeastern Mexico or southern Texas coastline. The system could become a short-lived tropical depression before it moves inland this afternoon or evening. This system has a medium chance of developing in the next 48 hours. That is the 3-day public weather forecast issued on Friday, the 15th of August by the Turks and Caicos Islands National Weather Service. The next 3-day forecast will be issued on Monday. Thank you for listening.